yung ICS niyan is mostly composed ng people from PDRRMO.
Yes.
Diba? Am I correct? PDRRMO, kung titingnan mo sa kanilang functions, hindi kasama doon yung pag-aresto, hindi kasama doon yung pag-ipik ng warrant or whatever. Wala yan sa function nila. Wala yan sa kanilang duties and responsibilities. Pero with the activation of the ICS, Incident Command System, during natural and man-made crisis, the governor has the power to utilize all resources under his disposition, under his disposal. Nakalagay yan doon, di ba? Nasa opinion pa yan, ng legal opinion ng DILG, na pwedeng gamitin niya yung lahat ng resources under his command. So,
pero sa
hindi
support
natin ma-question yung ginawa ng ICS. Pero kung PDRRMO lang, ginamit ni Gobernador na pang-aristo kay Mayor, questionable yan. Dahil wala yan sa mandato ng PDRRMO na mang-aristo ng magamitin sa pag-aristo or pag-implement ng order ng Sangguniang Panglungsod. Pero ICS inactivate niya. So, with that activation of ICS, legal yung ginawa na ginamit yung mga resources under his command.